Welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm with a guest today who goes by the name
10K, as you know.
And I'm going to be showing you how I win my bets. So if you want to win on Betway, make sure that you watch full video.
Don't skip the video, né? Watch until the end.
Yeah. As you can see, guys, my brother, are you familiar with this market? Are you familiar with what I did here?
Or with overs and also
yes,
it's
overs only. It's scores only.
Yeah, I'm familiar with that one.
Because I was able to get about 269 odds plus 0.83. So like this market is guaranteed to win on Betway. The thing I love about this market is that yes, I stick with R1 because I was experimenting.
Wow, yeah.
I was experimenting, so it was risky for me. I was experimenting here, my brother.
So interesting, guys. So he got like 269 odds with only R1, which means this one, guys, is a good market with only R1. So let's take this into consideration. What if he betted with at least like 10 rand? How much was going to be the amount?
It will be more.
Yeah,
it will be more. And this can be you too.
Yeah.
Just make sure that you're subscribed, guys. This can be you too. So like, guys, as you can see, like this market means that we only need one goal here. We only need one goal to be scored here. That's what we basically need in this video. We basically need one goal to be scored and we win. As you can see, 14 teams. I only selected 14 teams and all of them won. All of them scored goals. So this is a good market, my brother.
This one is a good market.
Yeah.
So why didn't you rebet?
The reason I didn't rebet was because I was experimenting. And like I was.
This one was just for experiment.
Yes, this was just an experiment. I was shocked when I won. That's when I saw that this market.
Guys, look at the odds. Look at the odds. Look at the odds. Which means this strategy is working 100%. So can you tell me how many overs did you manage to get on this bet slip?
On this bet slip, I managed to get 14 overs.
Wow,
14 overs.
Oh, you betted like 14, right?
Yes, I betted like 14 teams actually, 14 teams. And I was able to get about like 200. I
think today we have to cook another ticket with overs. I think we have to, because as you can see, guys, the odds, which means you can make a lot of money, and also you also have to give your people
some codes.
Yeah, some codes. Yeah.
Yes, I'll definitely be doing that with the bro here on my next upcoming videos. Just make sure that you are always watching my videos.
Guys, the ticket is well cooked. The ticket is well cooked.
Cool. This can be you too. You can also win like these, guys. So guys, just make sure that you're subscribed and make sure that you're always ready to watch my videos so that you can get tickets.
Like, do you have a VIP group?
Yes, I do have a VIP group whereby I'm gonna be sending out this kind of slips on the VIP group.
I think you also need to send this kind of tickets on your group, because this ticket was a successful ticket, so you have to send on the VIP group.
Yeah, definitely. And guys, I suggest that you join my VIP group, and also the bro here also has a VIP group, so you can join our VIP group, guys. Like, it's affordable. Mine's it's affordable. It's 100 rand every month. I don't know about the bro here, but he also has a VIP group too.
My own VIP group is the upcoming one. I don't have it for now, but I was planning to have that VIP group because yesterday he managed to win this amount of money, and also on my other bet slip I managed to win. So the video will be dropped also for my wins today. It will be dropped on my channel. I don't know if you know TMK Man or something like that, but just search me TMK Man. You're basically gonna find my YouTube channel.
So guys, just make sure that you're ready for our next upcoming video, because we're gonna be sharing more codes with you.
There will be like we'll be sharing a lot of codes. It's all about codes. We're not going to waste time with introduction and something like that. We're just going to jump into the ball.
So make sure that you click like and subscribe.
Guys, make sure you like and subscribe. I don't know how many minutes on this video. I don't know, but like we wanted like 7 minutes. I don't know if it's 7. So if you managed to watch the video until the end, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the bro.
Peace.
Recording
on screen.
Yeah, I guess. Recording because we click here. Many watch. What I recording.
Recording soon. Yeah. Some minutes, 5 minutes.
Tonight is a jump.
You should like
you and me.
Yeah, how many minutes? 5
Yeah, I could go back from a hi tsoto kahle a nga focus ngopfu ka loko which means like xikirini xo xi nga ta focus-a le ka vona okay
very sad, maybe I don't know.
a yi rhikodile